when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a new part of nothing, because it's the first part. So I will definitely at the same time do other things like programming, because I have just one screen. It's hard, but that's true. Yeah, I have just one screen, so I can't hide anything. I can't do anything. I try to unlock here YouTube now. I do it live because I can. This is my own main. This is the main. Yeah, you see. I hope it works. So just one thing that I can do at this time. I can just hope. Okay, so try to do some. Oh, okay, that's right. Sad. That's right. Okay. Hello and welcome. I hope the quality of the video stream is good enough to read and see all things. I see it's not, so I need to start the stream one more time. Sorry for that. I changed the quality from 720p to 1080p. I think it's better. I don't say that. I'm working on the 4K monitor, and I don't want to work in 1080p or 720p. It's different and too hard for me. I don't want that. So I can change that live. So see you later, alligator. The stream will be deleted. So I'll think I'm live. Yeah, I do. Hello and welcome to my live stream. It's a new one live stream. I do one before and it was a fail. So I hope this one will be better for you and me. Yeah, we are new live. I hope the quality is even better than that what I had before. I just need to check this before I do anything. This stream is offline. Where's my another stream? I'm online, or? Yeah. No. Yeah, I'm online. I'm live. I don't know how's my voice. I don't speak English as well or often, so not just maybe my English is broken. So just relax and deal with this. Deal with it like it is. So what is wrong with this video here? I'll think it's deleted, or? No, it's not. It's done. It has no thumbnail. Need to check it later. Hello, I want to see my own stream. Let me see it. No, my live stream is not offline. What are you doing? Okay, never mind. I tried. So I said before, but you don't hear that because the first live stream I deleted before. I want to delete it. And I say that I have just one single monitor. It's a 4K monitor, and I try to stream it in 1080p. I don't know if it's the best solution, but it's a good solution, I think. No, I'm online. I'm live. What the fuck? Yeah, hello. Okay, I'm live. It's snow here too. One watching. Try to look it inside. It's not the live stream. Okay, never mind. I tried. Okay, so we try to write a duplicate finder or duplicate deleter. So as well, we start as a console application because I don't want it to do it at the first as a Win application like with controls. At the first, oh, there, I see something. I see it. I have two test lists, in German and the Turkish playlist. That's not, I think it's not the right playlist. I downloaded it from online. I don't check them. I think they are old and not work anymore. Don't they work anymore? We will try it. We don't try it. We just try to delete the duplicates, but because I think there are many duplicates. Okay, so the quality is readable, so we can just close my own stream because I don't want to see myself streaming. Okay, well, that's not funny. What was that? We use a clean browser because there are many caches that from old times or from just kidding times or from links that my friends sent to me or I sent them. It's really kind of shit. Okay. So C#, console application, file input, because I want to set a powerful info file. File console application, file start. How do I launch files? No, I want a parameter. How can I check it? Oh, we have update. I don't want. Console check file. No. File input. I think it's a file input, but I'm not true. I'm not sure how to set the path of the input file. Okay. But that's not that what I want. Location, no. Command, no. No. Curse. That's false. I want here. So I can make it bigger. So you have more. I have more. Basic input and output. Console read line. Console input. File IO. I tried to Google it in German. X and X, no, oh, no. No, that's not the truth. I'm not sure, but I think I gathered in the arcs, so I just need a C#, main arcs example. I just used this one as example program. We just compile our program. And new path. So Wenn debug netcore. I program with the okay. Oh, I do it false. Yeah. Okay. So copy. New project. Language C#. Sharp. Out from Windows. Hello. Select. Console. Yeah, we work with the .NET framework. Oh fuck, false copy. What was the project name? M3U, duplicate filter. We call it duplicate filter. We call it M3U cleaner. So that's a better name. M3U cleaner. So project start. We can delete this old project. Then debug here we had. So basically started with this. Oh, okay, that's what I want. Arcs index 0s and the playlist as a file name. We make it right easy. I try to work basically in this main class, but I do something else at the first. Try to make a little bit more. Yeah. Come on. Try to do a bit more basic files. We can call this functions. I'm not sure that I call it functions. I'm not. I let it so at the first. This we call yeah, we let it on program. So we have the arcs list at the main program. We can program a core system, but we don't need it. It's here in this first function. So classes. So in the class we can make a class with item. This item will have some indexes. I need to understand the file system, how it works, how it being to work. I think this DE is Ah, we have a parsing and output. Class M3U, write media list and extended. But I don't think that's complete. That's the complete solution. So we try it by ourselves. I think this DE is meaning it's not every. Oh, it's really different. So we have DE so like this. We have nothing. Okay, I think this is just comment line. The second line next is URL. So we have definitely a string with a URL. So we can just do this struct here. We don't need more, so I close this one. So I don't think it's read-only. We can just do it like with a constructor, but we need to edit it. So maybe if it's duplicated. Yeah, we'll add it like it is. Okay, we'll make it all public. We don't try to make a high-end good program. I don't want that too. So just do it like we can. So we have definitely a name. I'll think this is the full name of the thing. But we have two. What the fuck? What is that? Okay, we have a lot of different split usages. We work just at the first with the first one. So we have a tag. It's inside these two symbols. And we have a name. And at the first we have, I think it's just meaning what a config is builded. No, it's every time the same. It's meaning, okay, here one line comes the next line. So this is every time the same. So we don't need to save that variable. Yeah, it's every time the same. I think we just need to save the tag. So we have a tag. We have a name. And that's all I think. Yeah, that's all. We have a name, we have a tag, we have a URL. Yeah, okay. We just changed the... I think the tag is the first one. Okay, so we have the struct item now. All publicly. So, that's all, but that's not a class. So we just struct... I think we don't need the lists, or we need. I don't think so, because we just every time use one list. It's just a cleaner. It's not a combiner. So we have just one list, and we want to clean it. So we know our file if it's an arc, else if we make arcs point the. Yeah, point length 1 and the arc 0 is the file existing file. So file exists. Then we make arcs 0. We need to include file. I think it's possible. It's my yeah, that's what's right. Yeah, okay. With the access, so we have the file. The file is the arc0. So the next step we can check is what the for file of file and this file has. So I make it easy. I just save the name arg and make contains M3U, because it's just the M3U cleaner, not other else. I know there are many of file types. I'll think I have files that are combined with a lot of them. At the first I make just this. Check if the arg is gearing. It's a file that exists and the file type is right. So this example we can clean, we don't need it. If the arg is null, a 0, null, I think we give the chance to let him write something. So M3U, no, C# get text from console input. The last time I programmed this a long time, so sorry for all. I don't know what I do sometimes, so that's why I read a lot of. It's better than doing some shit. Okay, we can still get a string line. So same thread. We don't make a while, we just give one time chance to make it. So the while we close. We don't want to do this, we don't want to do this, do this. We want to get a line, but it's a for us file path enter file path of your M3U file. We can just let it so, and we check the file path like we do it here before. That we can so clean up the code a little bit. So like this we do the same, just not with the arg 0. We do it with the file path we given before, and if it's true, it's the same like before. So we go to the functions and new function with the name parse file, parse M3U. So this function is basically easy. It's given array back with the full list of all. Yeah. And this array we will save here. We make it like what was array types in C#? I'm not sure. I'm literally in C++. I think that was it can be the better language now for me, but I want to do it in C#, just because I can. String array. We make a string array. I don't want this type of arrays. We are in C#, so we can use a C# own array, I think. I hope I find one. I know there are a lot of. But I don't want to open my old projects to see what for array types I have. I'll think I'm an idiot too, so for normally I would know that, but no, I'm stupid as fuck. No, I don't want this basically type. Best array examples. Yes, I think I saw it. No, I don't saw it. I'm so in love with you. Yeah, I think it's the array list. Yeah, it's the array list. Yeah, we work with the array list. So, but I don't think array list is the best solution. So just normal list. Yeah, we use the just normal list. I know that's good. So we have a list. I just included. So list with a string and no, not with a string. We have our items. So with the item inside. So we call it listy. What the fuck? List. We call it item list. And we make we don't make a new one. So we let it clear. We just zero it. Null it. And we check at the last if null. If it's not null, it's going to the next function, to the clean function. So clean M3U. Oh fuck, I just read it here. Clean M3U here. And if it's not the right one, yeah, no, I know I make it different. We do this same here and export. And this last function is export. And we can just do something like M3U handler. So in the M3U handler we do something like just this. Oh, that's a parse. Public class. Public void. Yeah, it's a void. Handle. Do it like this. And make here M3U handler handle. Yeah, it's not a static const. That's why it not want to work. I need to make it static. Static void handle. And now it works. So this handle function will do something like we don't get, I don't want to get here. Parse. So the parse M3U, I don't want to do it here, so we make it different. We make it like noob like bool. No. String path. We'll make it now. We have just a path. This one comes to our handler. So this one too. And we give a part as a parm. String. So that seems cleaner as before. Yeah. I think we can do it a different way. But then, yeah. Just to try it started like this. I want just check if it works. Because now it's going to handle. I need to make it here. If path 0 do nothing. Or we just do it here like if path return. Oh, I don't want it. Do it. But it's not good as well, so we can do just like this. And just like this. So, and if it works... I'm at FK. Be right back. I'm back. So, yeah. We do it like a handle, and I'll think it's a better way. So we have as at the last a read line, and if it's don't right, so we can just check it. And make console right line. Your input was incorrect. Maybe a false file type. be sure that the file type is M3U. We can start it. Okay, we have an arrow. Oh, we have a file open with that, so again, we can't debug it. So, okay. Your input was incorrect, maybe a false file type. Be sure the file type is M3U. I don't know what is wrong there now. It's just if the arcs are not 0. Oh, okay, the arcs are not null. They're just nothing inside. So if we make lang like this, I think that's right. So enter the file of path, we'll make something like this. And it's incorrect, yeah, but if it's incorrect, we already know that. So this is just, we can do it like this. Your input was incorrect, so that's painful, but it can be true, but we have no more. Oh, okay, contains. Oh, I understand. It needs to stay here, but we need the same here for this one. If this one is false, we get instantly here. But I don't like the solution, but we just work with it now. So we can here be sure. We can now enter our handle function, so we have just 3 steps. The item step is null. This step it needs to be null. Parse, clean, export. That's the 3 steps. We have parse, clean, export. So at the first we just make the parse one. Public, static. We make here void. We make all handle. We call all the same with the handle step. We make. Oh, nice one. Okay. Every time we get the item list. But in this time we get it like a reference. Yeah, it's here different. It's meaning, and it's like this reference. So we can edit it here, and but parsing we need a path too. So string I path. So we have a path and we have an item list. Forgot something. Okay, now it's deal. So we start with the parsing. In the start. So okay, so at the first we need to read the file. Habt, read file line by line. I'll think line by line is the best way. I need to watch on my handy mobile phone. So using Fairy very much like your own solution except it's online string and all that. And we have her we tried this one. But I don't know what for a buffer we need. It's just the end, okay. Okay, I let the text the names of the variables like it is. So we just need 2 lines. I don't call them line 1, line 2. So we go back to the file and we see, okay, the first is the description line. I hope I read description right. I just check it. But yeah, I read it right. So the next is a URL line. So we have just simple names. So things like go back here. I'll think we'll make it not like this. We do another system, so Read lines. Read lines, read lines, read lines. Is that meaning the... Okay, will we try this system? First, it's more better for me than the other one. So check it. I got a message. So good night, for your friend. So we have here all the lines, but we don't use for each. We just use for. So So to check this, I need to delete this ones and make here just debugging protocol. Okay, so I have lines. They're all description line, URL line is right. It works. We have the item list here, so here we can do something like we don't use this item list, we make a new one. So list item list, new list item, make a new list and do something like add And every line we do a new item, so item, item, new item. And we can do item URL directly to the line. We don't need this. So we have the latest item there. So now we have the description line. That's every time another system. So at the first we can delete this first one. So, but I just want to try something just to make it better and easier for me. So we don't use name and tag. We just say public string description. Yeah. And say item point description death. So at last we need to have some results. Our item list needs to be filled up. So we make if item list contains more than 0. I hope it is so. We can just make a check up. We can check up if the first line is this one. And the second line have minimum error. Item description contains. Because it's important. And the item URL contains HTTP. It's not important that if it's HTTPS, so the S is just later. So HTTP needs to contain. So we can just say, okay, the second URL is a URL, and the first is really a description because that's every time the same. So if the item list is more than this one, we can just edit our reference, grow a new list, and save the file. So we have a result. Our result is that we have our item file. We can just do it like a bool and make a return true, and if not, return false. Just do it like this, and we can just work here with if this is true. Then we need to clean the M3Us. This example, we just go inside the function, so we can just copy this one here and make this public. Make here like this, and this delete the path. First, we don't need the path. Yeah, return true. I don't know if I want to use here the function. So clean the M3U here. Clean M3U and handle reference item list. So we come to this function, we do our all right. I hope we do all right. So yeah, we got. So we have an item list with 529 results. Seems to be good. Yeah. So now the clean function. That's easy, I think. job list check duplicates. Remove. Hmm. Yeah, I can try something, but I'm not sure if it works. Uh, mm. No, we don't make it at the bool, we make it at the void. We can't say here there is we let it so. Item list select. New ID, okay, we can do it here like I'm not sure. Okay, I understand. We have the name and we have the URL and the description. So at the first we just use the description and the URL, and we say if the description no, we just make it with the URL. I don't want to use all of them. The URL is the same. Okay, I want to check this resolution. Right. 296. Ooh, works. Where is the description, man? Just don't delete the description. Okay, he deletes the description. That's not right. Okay, we just do a new item. Oh, I understand. So what is if we do like just a district? I want to try it. What was a German pad? But if it's like a thing, yeah, not the true way, not the way that I read. Yeah, the problem is I have this district values linked. District. So this pinged. Okay, was it select before? So we can say select the URL. In the German one, he says no one is duplicated. We trust him now. Try with the Turkish one. Okay, I really think it worked. There are a lot of duplicates inside. So we can just say okay. Oh, but wait, I want to see if the struct is lost or the same one. So... no, it's just the URL, that's the thing. Problem is that I could just get the URLs back, but I want the description or the full information of my struct. Yeah, wait a second. Group by task, select group first. Yeah, I don't think this is possible, but if it's better. It was a no, it's not possible like I want. District to list. Yeah, we have no select there. Oh, that's possibility the better way than the other. So group by URL. No. I don't want it. I want the better one. Yeah, that's right. That's what I want. It works. Okay, this is a clean part in short. Add here more to filter better, like name. So just the URL is not the only part. So with a name we can just filter better. Yeah, but our res is not the main thing, so we just give item list back. And then our file system is like this. Ask for export file. Oh, we can just use this one. So export is meaning the same. First public void handle reference item list. We're good to make it public, I think. Oh, that wasn't my. So I'll think about how can I make it to the array now. Easy. But I do write all lot. But I hadn't. We need to make it like I want before. Write line for write line. Write one string to the text file. No. Add new text to the existing file.
Blind devotion, empty notion. Like a roaring ocean, slow in motion. Lay down your troubled mind. We are only kind and will kindly cease to be as we intertwine within universe and its cosmic symphony. The smoke lingers after fire. The smoke lingers after fire.
So we just do it as a STA thread and just include system Windows forms to usage that open file dialog that I want to be used for AO. Select file that where it's going to be, you know. So using, I hope it will work. No, it won't. We can try it the other way. No, it's not possible in Okay, that's not important, so we can just use like we do this before. And do this in the same way. It's just easy to say. I want to make a replace file system, like if I import a file over the X, over the application, I want to replace that. If I put it over over the console, over the text line, I want to ask before it replaces with the same file. So for that we need to go to our handler and give a path again with it. Oh, not that export. Bring I path. So ethic program that's not program. Yeah, that's program. Static bool public static bool. Place file. If it's true, then it's the string file path. Here, no. File path. Then up a path, else. Yeah, that's the way I want that. We have an error on this. Oh, that's not static. Okay. Public static void. Oh no, it's need to work. Okay, we tried. We just put here our Turkish language playlist. Let it clean. Oh, what is wrong? Program args is not null. Give me a second. Not here. I want to replace the file here. Why he asked me about that? I don't understand. arc is 0. Arc is 1. Ah? Ah? If I started so arc lang is 0. Okay, that's this one. It's okay that he go inside this. But if I make it like this, arc lang is 1. So how it is possible that he joined in this file? Or oh no, he do that what I want. Let's clean the file. Okay, it was a compile error. So we compile it again. No, it's not a compiler, it's the error of me. Export. Console write line. Suck. Done. Okay, we try it again. Done! Wow! Okay, we'll look on the file system. And yeah, it seems like the real one. Wow. It worked! We have... Oh, 90 records less. Okay, that's really nice. And we tried the same way with art, deleting the files. So we make this. Oh fuck, no, not the full. Copy. So enter the file path of your M3U file. We just make a new one. Ooh. Okay, that's right. It works. So it's finished. Our program, our M3U cleaner, or filter, or something like else. It's just the first version. It's not finally the end of the program. I want to filter like from names. I just usage know the description method to say struct as example description, but we have a tag and the name, and in the next session I want to split over the tag and the name and say then okay, we have the name 2 times, how is it even possible, and ask the user about hey, do you want that or do you don't want that, do you want to remove that record. Or we can say, okay, we just want to add tags. It's this time a cleaner, next time an editor, and then other thing. I wish you a really nice day. I hope you had fun to watch, and yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.